Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B0002-13 indicates an issue within the driver's airbag system, specifically concerning the second inflator circuit. This DTC is triggered when the SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, unit detects either an open circuit or an increased resistance, which it considers an indication of an anomaly in the airbag deployment system. The components involved include the driver's airbag, the cable reel, and the SRS unit. The driver's airbag is located in the steering wheel and is responsible for deploying and cushioning the driver in the event of a collision. The cable reel, located within the steering column, allows for the rotation between the steering wheel and the vehicle's electrical systems while maintaining connectivity. Finally, the SRS unit is situated in the engine bay or under the dashboard, responsible for monitoring various sensors and deploying the airbags when necessary. The presence of the DTC suggests that the vehicle may not provide the intended safety measures during an accident, thereby requiring immediate attention to ensure the safety systems are functional. DTC B0002-13 signifies that the SRS unit has detected an unusually high voltage on the detection line linked to the driver's airbag's second inflator. When the voltage exceeds a predefined threshold, the SRS unit identifies this as an electrical issue, which could be due to an open or high-resistance connection within the airbag circuit. This anomaly prevents the airbag from deploying correctly in the event of an accident, compromising the vehicle's safety features. The malfunction can occur in various components, particularly the driver's airbag, the cable reel, and wiring connections. It's essential to inspect these components to determine the exact source of the fault before proceeding with repairs. There are several possible causes for DTC B0002. One common cause is an open circuit in the wiring that connects the driver's airbag to the SRS unit. This could occur due to damaged or disconnected wires. Additionally, increased resistance in the connections may prevent proper electrical flow, leading to the airbag not functioning as intended. Another significant factor could be a faulty driver's airbag itself, which may have internal damage or degradation that affects its performance. Understanding these causes is crucial for accurate diagnostics and determining which components require inspection and potential replacement. Properly identifying the fault is essential for restoring the safety functionality of the airbag system. Symptoms associated with DTC B0002-13 can vary, but a common indication is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This warning signals that the airbag system has detected a fault and may not operate correctly in a collision. Additionally, there may be inconsistent deployment of the airbag, meaning it might not activate during a crash, putting the driver's safety at risk. A malfunction in the driver's airbag can also lead to other irregularities in the SRS, further jeopardizing a passenger's safety. Being aware of these symptoms can prompt timely inspections and repairs, ultimately ensuring that the airbag deploys reliably when needed. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0002-13 encompasses crucial safety procedures, primarily starting with the disconnection of the vehicle's 12-volt battery. This step is essential because it minimizes the risk of accidental airbag deployment while performing inspections. After disconnecting the battery, you should wait at least 3 minutes for any residual charge to dissipate, ensuring that the system is entirely safe to work on. Additionally, it's vital to verify if the vehicle has experienced a collision. If collision damage is present, ensure that all related components were replaced with OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, and installed correctly. Neglecting collision history can lead to overlooking faulty parts that may not be visible externally, but are crucial for airbag functionality. In the second troubleshooting step, we focus on the driver's airbag and its connections, particularly the second inflator connector. Begin by carefully disconnecting the driver's airbag second inflator connector, which is a 2-pin connector known as 2P. After disconnection, it is crucial to check the integrity of the connection to ensure that no corrosion, dirt, or physical damage affects the terminals. This inspection should include a visual assessment of wires leading to the airbag and the connector's condition. Any damage or loose connections can lead to increased resistance that triggers the DTC B0002-13. Once inspected, install a jumper wire between terminals number 1 and number 2 of the connector and perform the confirmation procedure to check for error codes. A normal result indicates an issue within the airbag itself. Otherwise, the focus shifts to other components. The third troubleshooting step centers on inspecting the cable reel and its connections, particularly focusing on connector B, which has 4 pins. Begin by disconnecting both the driver's airbag second inflator connector, 2P, and cable reel connector B, 4P. For testing, it is necessary to perform open wire inspections on the power supply and ground terminals labeled LA2+ and LA2-. The objective here is to ensure that there are no breaks or high resistance in the wiring that could lead to abnormal voltage readings. Utilizing a multimeter, measure the resistance across the terminals. Normal conditions should indicate less than 1 ohm of resistance. If you find that the readings exceed normal thresholds, further inspection of the cable reel for shorts or opens is needed. This step is critical in isolating the issue within the airbag deployment circuit. The fourth troubleshooting step involves inspecting the SRS unit and its related connections. Ensure to disconnect SRS unit connector A, which contains 43 pins, along with the cable reel connector B previously mentioned. This step is pivotal for identifying any open circuits. Just like in the previous steps, perform resistance checks on both power supply and ground terminals labeled LA2+ and LA2-. As with earlier checks, a reading of less than 1 ohm indicates normal conditions. If the resistance is higher, this suggests possible wiring faults affecting the signal sent to the SRS unit. If the other components tested normal, a failing SRS unit could be the root cause. Thus, thorough inspection and testing of these connections are vital to resolve DTC B0002-13 effectively. After completing all troubleshooting steps and addressing any identified faults, the final repair verification is necessary to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Begin this step by using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, or a similar scan tool to clear any recorded DTC codes from the system. After clearing the codes, conduct a functionality test of the driver's airbag to confirm that it deploys correctly and that there are no additional warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. It's essential to verify that all components have been reconnected securely and that they operate seamlessly together without any abnormal resistance or open circuits. Ensuring normal operation signifies that safety protocols have been restored and the vehicle is safe for operation. Preventive maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and reliability of the SRS system in your Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the airbag system, including all connectors and wiring associated with the driver's airbag, can help identify potential issues before they lead to DTCs like B0002-13. Look for signs of corrosion or damage around connectors, as these can lead to increased resistance or open circuits, interrupting the airbag's operation. Additionally, maintaining clean and secure connections is essential. Over time, vibration and wear can loosen connections, leading to faults. It's advisable to engage in routine checks, especially if the vehicle has been in an accident, to ensure all parts are functional. Staying proactive helps maintain the integrity of the airbag system. In conclusion, addressing DTC B0002-13 requires a systematic approach involving multiple troubleshooting steps. By following the outlined procedures, technicians can identify specific components that may be faulty, including the driver's airbag, cable reel, and SRS unit. Understanding the role and functionality of each part helps in accurately diagnosing the issue. It's imperative to ensure that all connections are secure and free from damage, since these are often the culprits behind increased resistance in the airbag circuit. Ultimately, ensuring that the airbag system functions correctly is vital for passenger safety, highlighting the importance of rigorous inspection and diagnostic processes. Following preventive maintenance strategies will help in maintaining the reliability of the airbag system and avoiding similar issues in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.